All right, people, so we're at the lagoon. We're gonna go ahead and try this location now. Sorry, I was just replying to one of my buddies. We're gonna try this place out, see what kind of luck we have. So E-Rig comes, man, and look at the thing that he does. Good thing he didn't break his rod. His girl already broke the first one. Man, where'd you even lose the bait? Well, anyway, it's not a square bill no more. I think he turned a square bill into a crankbait finally. Unless it look, but at least there's a bobber right there, man, that you could have. So that's the unfortunate event. Leave it to E-Rig. One time, E-Rig.
Right here, look. I'll show you.
Oh, there. Bring it up to the camera.
It's right there.
Look at this. Who does this? Who does this? Let's see if we can get this way out there. A couple more times. Good old spinnerbait came in clutch. Yup. Got another one. Oh, no, no, no. Let go. No. 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 See, I saw something jump up there earlier. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it to commit. It's enough to get him to bite. Get him to commit to something. Oh, got him on a spinner. Yeah. Yeah. See if we can get that guy. Fishing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this beautiful little guy. Barely hooked him. Barely hooked him. Yeah. Whew. Not like catching a nice little guy that boosts your confidence back up. Yeah. Little paddle tail. Oh, he's got a little belly to him. He's been feeding in real well. Barely hooked the guy. Just barely hooked him. Unfortunately, I don't got a scale with me, but look at this beautiful fish. Throw him back. Get him a nice little. Look at him, he's squirmy. He's back going. One thing you always want to do is you want to check that your line isn't frayed. I wanted to make sure that I didn't rub on anything, that anything had possibly frayed my line. There's a little bit of vegetation under here. Making sure I don't bring it with me. Ripping this thing through gas isn't a bad thing. Make sure you rip it through. Get that stuff off your hook best you can, and let's see if we can get another one. How's it going? Good, good. Guys, look at this. Look at this.
We're over here, wait. Did you go right?
I turned in left and then right behind Casey's, bro. Right behind Casey's. Look at this boy. Come behind Casey's. Just enter that subdivision. All right. There we go. There we go. Got him, boys. Yeah. Look at this monster. A little skinny guy. Let's throw him back in. There we go. Nice little fish. He just ate that. Totally took it in. Let's try it again. What's up though? Deke. A little putback. Oh dang, man, he wanted to get back in there.
They're not very deep right there.
No, it's not deep at all. Oh, let's clean this off right here. Man. All right, man, let's go get his mother, his father, his brother at least. Yeah. Tell you, man, he must have wanted it, dude. He straight twisted this thing off. Oh, this thing's been through seen better days, to say the least. Here's the culprit of that one. That's what they've been wanting, man. A little chartreuse tail with a spike it. That's been the juice. It's coming clutch today, all day, all day. See if we can get another one. It's getting a little late now, so we're gonna plan to head out. We're done fishing now. You guys saw what we caught. Not a lot of big ones. Unfortunately, it wasn't as many as we want. Thanks for watching again. Remember to just be patient. No matter what you do, continue watching Fishing Dudes and make moves like the dudes. All right.
You got me trapped inside this spell.